Everyone dreams of starting a business, being your own boss, having freedom. The allure of entrepreneurship is strong, filled with the promise of innovation, creativity, and the chance to make a mark on the world. It's about taking control of your destiny and building something from the ground up. But most people get stuck. They overthink it, get bogged down in the details. The endless paperwork, the constant decision-making, the overwhelming number of tasks that need to be done. It can feel like you're drowning before you even get started. I'm here to tell you, it can be simpler. You just need the right tools. Imagine having a partner that never sleeps, never gets tired, and can process information at lightning speed. A tool that can help you streamline your processes and focus on what truly matters. That's where ChatGPT comes in. This AI isn't just a chatbot, it's a powerful assistant that can help you navigate the complexities of running a business. From drafting emails to generating business strategies, ChatGPT can handle it all. I had this crazy idea. What if AI could build a business? Not just help, but actually run the show. What if AI could build a business? Not just help, but actually run the show. Imagine an AI that could make decisions, manage tasks, and even interact with clients. The possibilities were endless, and I was eager to explore them. Could ChatGPT be my CEO? I decided to find out. I wanted to see if this AI could take on the role of a leader, guiding the business to success. It was an experiment that could change the way we think about entrepreneurship. No business plan, no prior experience, just me and the power of AI. This wasn't about proving AI is smarter than humans. It was about leveraging a powerful tool, automating the boring stuff. This wasn't about proving AI is smarter than humans. It was about leveraging a powerful tool, automating the boring stuff, freeing up time and mental energy to focus on innovation and growth. It was about leveraging a powerful tool, automating the boring stuff. Imagine having the mundane tasks taken care of so you can focus on the big picture. That's the promise of AI, and focusing on what matters, connecting with people, building relationships, creating value. These are the things that drive a business forward. It was time to put my theory to the test. I was about to embark on a wild ride, a journey into the unknown, with AI as my co-pilot. The excitement was palpable and the potential was limitless. And let me tell you, it was unlike anything I could have imagined. The results were astonishing and the experience was transformative. This was just the beginning of a new era in entrepreneurship. First things first, we needed a product, something that would stand out in a crowded market yet resonate deeply with our potential customers. We brainstormed ideas that were fun, engaging, and had broad appeal. After several sessions, we finally hit the jackpot. ChatGPT and I landed on personalized pet portraits. People love their pets, and a custom portrait is a unique way to celebrate that bond. And who doesn't want a quirky, artistic representation of their furry friend? It's a perfect blend of art and emotion. We set a clear financial goal, $10,000 in revenue within the first month. Ambitious? Sure. But we believed in our vision. Impossible? Not with ChatGPT by my side. The AI provided invaluable insights and strategies to help us navigate the challenges. We had a limited budget, just $500 to get the ball rolling. Every penny had to be spent wisely. This meant being scrappy, resourceful, and leveraging the power of free tools and platforms. We had to make every dollar count. We utilized free online tools for design, marketing, and customer engagement. It was all about maximizing our limited resources. ChatGPT helped me define our target audience, millennials and Gen Z, active on social media, passionate about their pets. We had our niche. Now it was time to build the machine to reach them. We crafted a digital marketing strategy that would capture their attention and convert interest into sales. The journey had just begun. Every successful business needs a sales funnel. It's the backbone of converting interest into revenue, a system to attract leads, nurture interest, and convert them into paying customers. Without a well-structured funnel, potential customers might lose interest or get lost along the way. ChatGPT became my architect. It helped me design a simple yet effective funnel. First, the landing page. This is where the journey begins. We needed something eye-catching and persuasive. The landing page had to grab attention immediately and make a compelling case for why visitors should stay. ChatGPT suggested using bright colors, adorable pet photos, and clear calls to action. These elements were crucial in making the page both attractive and functional. We offered a free digital pet portrait consultation in exchange for email signups. This was our lead magnet, designed to provide value upfront and capture contact information. We created a fun quiz. What's your pet's spirit animal? This interactive element not only engaged visitors but also provided us with valuable insights into their preferences. This was a great way to engage our audience and collect valuable data. The information gathered helped us tailor our marketing efforts more effectively. Finally, the email sequence. ChatGPT crafted a series of automated emails. These emails were designed to nurture leads, build trust, and guide them towards making a purchase. Welcoming new subscribers, sharing customer testimonials, and offering limited-time discounts. Each email had a specific purpose and was timed to perfection. The funnel was ready. It was time to build our online home. With the funnel in place, we were ready to turn clicks into customers and grow our business. Building a website can be daunting. Coding, design, hosting, it's a lot to handle. But with ChatGPT, it was a breeze. We used a user-friendly platform like Wix or Squarespace. ChatGPT guided me through the entire process. It suggested templates, color schemes, and even wrote compelling copy. We created separate pages for our services, pricing, and an About Us section to build trust. ChatGPT even helped me optimize the website for search engines. The best part? It only took a weekend. What used to take weeks or even months, we accomplished in just a few days. ChatGPT's ability to process information and execute tasks quickly was a game changer. Marketing magic, unleashing the AI algorithm. With the website live, it was time to spread the word. ChatGPT became my marketing guru. It analyzed our target audience and suggested the perfect platforms. Instagram and TikTok were our top priorities. We needed engaging content. ChatGPT helped me brainstorm viral-worthy ideas. Behind-the-scenes videos of the portrait creation process, customer testimonials with adorable pet reactions, funny memes and relatable pet owner content. ChatGPT even wrote the captions and hashtags. It knew exactly what would resonate with our audience. We ran targeted ad campaigns, leveraging AI's ability to identify and reach potential customers. The response was incredible. Launch day, exploding onto the scene. Launch day arrived, and I was buzzing with nervous energy. We hit publish on our first social media posts. And then it happened. The likes, comments, and shares started pouring in. Our inbox was flooded with inquiries. Within the first week, we had surpassed our initial goal. We were booked solid with pet portrait commissions. The AI-powered marketing strategy was working wonders. People loved the concept, the art style, and the personal touch. It was exhilarating to see our vision come to life, and to know that ChatGPT had played such a crucial role in our success. We had tapped into something special. The power of AI combined with human creativity and passion was unstoppable. Lessons learned. Iteration is key. The journey wasn't without its challenges. There were times when the AI's suggestions needed tweaking, moments where human intuition and creativity were essential. But that's the beauty of this partnership. We learned to iterate, adapt, and constantly improve. We A/B tested different ad creatives, landing page copy, and email subject lines. ChatGPT helped me analyze the data and make data-driven decisions. The key takeaway? AI is a powerful tool, but it's not a magic bullet. It's about finding the right balance between automation and human input, and always being open to learning and evolving. The future is now. AI is your co-founder. This experience has been a revelation. It's shown me the incredible potential of AI in the business world. ChatGPT isn't just a chatbot. It's a co-founder, a creative partner, and a tireless worker. It can help you brainstorm ideas, build your brand, and connect with your audience in ways you never thought possible. The future of entrepreneurship is here, and it's powered by AI. Don't be afraid to embrace the power of AI. It's not about replacing humans, it's about empowering us to achieve more than we ever thought possible. Join the revolution, get your free blueprint. Are you ready to unleash your entrepreneurial spirit to build your own business empire with the help of AI? I've created something special for you. Download my free AI CEO blueprint today. It's packed with actionable tips, strategies, and insights from my own journey. Let's revolutionize the way we do business together. The future is now. Don't get left behind.